I know I look like a lobster today and I got a little bit of sun yesterday, but let's not focus on my face and jump straight onto the laptop. And I want to talk about some very important things. The first thing is that the Linea XP multiplier has been reactivated. If you have signed onto this before today, everything has been canceled and they reinstated it. So I will leave you the link down below. You will need to go and sign up with this. It is only through invitational link. Mine is here, or simply go through the link, first link in the description. And this will apply as a multiplier within the Linea airdrop coming very, very soon. We've been farming it for a while, so it is important that you go and sign up. It is absolutely free to sign up. You only need to activate your account. And if you see here, you can verify the LXPL collected within the search program by looking in the open block search over here down below. You can go and check it out. You have your own referral code once you go and sign up as well that you can share, but this one will act as a multiplier for the Linea airdrop, and it is available until the end of April. So we only got 4 days, and I will try to remind you as much as possible, but it is very, very important that you go and do it. So do not fade this first announcement. Next up, we're gonna go and look again at the Linea XP here, and another information that you need to do once you activate your account is that while activating your Linea Surge account is the first step to also get the multiplier, you also need to start earning LXPL by simply activating your account. You'll also need to provide liquidity to a project on the Linea chain. And provide liquidity simply means putting your Ethereum or USDC somewhere, just leave it there for a while, and then you're able to take it back. And here are a few of the protocol, which can either be SyncSwap. You will find the link down below, of course. Kepler, Gravitas, SyncSwap, Ransom. I will go with the SyncSwap over here, or the Stargate Finance Pool, which could be helpful for the Layer 0 airdrop. So if we go, for example, to the Stargate Finance Pool over here, you can decide which one to go and put. I got a little bit of liquidity over here, as we see with USDCE and USDT. But if you want to go to the pool over here on Linea, this is the pool that you have to go and do. Simply click here and you can add anything that you want. If then you want to go and take it back, you can simply click over here and withdraw it from the possibility. I have a total amount to remove, as we see here, of 9, and I simply go and remove the liquidity without any hassle, without any pain, without any problem. So either Stargate or SyncSwap, which they're both tokenless. I mean, Stargate could be potentially airdrop also for the Layer 0, or the SyncSwap could potentially be an airdrop in the future as they are tokenless. But let's go and farm the Stargate one. We simply go to the pool section over here on the top. The minimum amount, I would say, go anywhere between 0.1 ETH all the way up to 1 ETH, or also have a 0.05 ETH should be good. But here, of course, on the Linea chain, come add the liquidity that you want, 0.1 or anything, and go and add it. It is very, very important. You can do the bridging over here on Stargate, for example, from any chain that I got the coin to the Linea Ethereum network, and then add the liquidity. Very, very important, which I will go and do. And make sure to go and join them. Next up, we got the DYM Dimension Staker. Just a reminder for all of you, there is the new voting proposal number 13 to whitelist NIM and pave the way for the airdrop. There's only 2 days left. The link is down below. If you are one of these, voters, make sure to go and vote, because it is very important. You can stake your DYM if you also have the possibility to go and not done it yet. Next up, we got an update on the Lava Network. Now introducing Lava, the native token of the Lava Network. We did go and farm this quite a bit, and it was simply the adding the RPC to your MetaMask wallet. Now, I personally am having trouble logging into the Lava website. Let me know down in the comments below if also it is a little bit of a hassle for you to also connect your wallet and check your points and do all of the things, because here the token retrieval failed for some reason. I am not sure why, but they have enrolled on Ethereum rollup cell 1, cell 2, modular integrated and everything. So the token will be very, very soon here, and you can go and learn more about the token detail on the link that I will leave down below. There are the supply, the token supply, economics, distribution, the initial token distribution, the growth, the rewards. We see here future incentivized 15%, including the airdrop. So 15% of the token will go to an airdrop, which is very, very nice. 3.4% to 24K lava day validator, 6.6% to variable rewards to providers, 31% to the ecosystem, 17% to the early backers, and 27% to the core contributors. So very, very nice to see this one. But you can go and read more about the distribution, the rewards. There's going to be the restacking, how everything works over here, the subscription rewards, and all them goodies. But the token, it is coming very, very soon. So make sure to go and do it and keep an eye out. Next up, we also have important updates on the Binance Megadrop, which is now live. And get prepared to join the first Megadrop project with ByBit before it goes live today at 12 a.m. UTC time. Now, what is this? Well, it is simply a new reward program from Binance, which is kind of like a combination between Binance rewards, stacking, and airdrop situation. You can subscribe to the BNB locked up periods, as well as creating a Web3 wallet and funding your Web3 wallet to receive the airdrop. How much you're gonna go and put into your Web3 wallet, how much you're gonna lock in your Web3 wallet, it is gonna be determining for the amount that you will receive in terms of the airdrop allocation for all of the product within the new Binance Megadrop. Am I bullish on it? A little bit, yes, because it does look really, really nice, and it is gonna have a lot of important updates, and many projects that have either backed by Binance or the Binance Labs could potentially lead over here in a very juicy and nice way. So I'm really, really excited for it. We go on and we look at the Milkway Forex bonus on the endpoints. If you are within the Milkway ecosystem, there is the introduction bonus M points where you participate in DeFi gets your bonus M points. It will start from April 25th, so from yesterday. It's already ongoing and onboarding. You can earn a whopping 4 M points per day per Milk Tia by entering Milk Tia /Tia and .nlp on the Chameleon DEX for the next 2 weeks. So you have the possibility to earn extra points by entering Milk Tia as a liquidity pool on the Camelot to connect the Hyperlane XYZ and the Squid router. And it is a good point if you want to go and farm or you are into Milkway. I personally stake Tia without Milk Tia. I stayed within the normal Tia route, but if you did any of this, make sure to go and check it because it is really, really cool. We then have an update on a new fun little NFTs kind of thing from the Jumper exchange, which gives you the possibility to have a little NFT Frog over here, which I have completed 2 tasks as we see over here, and I have earned 85 XP. So you go and unlock new loot boxes and new clothing, new everything for your little NFT over here, which you can, it's nothing of value. It's not that you can sell it within the market, it is within the base ecosystem, but you can simply go and, as you see here, change the lips, change the torso, change everything that you want to do with this little guy, and simply hold it and save it as equipped and have it as your PFP, which will then be able to go and be integrated on your Jumper profile over here on the Jumper exchange. The more XP you gain, which you gain it by interacting with multiple chains, amount of transactions that you do, and the volume that you do, you will level up at the beginning of every month over here on your Jumper profile, and you will be able to utilize your PFP as a Jumper PFP profile picture, which looks very nice, but it is a little update, just let you know. Go and check out yours for down in the link below. Created, come over to my Telegram, come and share your images, let me know what you have it, and it is very, very cool. We got a very nice update from Stripe. Now, Stripe is a payment method for every website that you can exist, you can pay. Now, the co-founder gives a little demo of accepting the payment in USDC on Solana as well, which is very, very bullish. And as we see over here, we can see that the payment provider, so Stripe, will be integrated into all the payments of the website, which is very, very cool. And it is an adoption for the crypto space, in my opinion, that is very, very important. And there's going to be the possibility to go and pay also with crypto. Most likely will be USDC, USDT, simply to keep it as a stable coin in terms of you're paying with dollars, you're paying with USDC, you're paying with USDC. So it is nice to go and see, and it is gonna be really, really big in my opinion. Next up, we follow up with an update over on the Glacier Network, which we did go and farm quite a few months ago now. They have integrated with OKX Web3 as well. You can unlock the power of ownership, which is nice to see that this team is keeping on boosting. Talking about the Glacier Network over here, this was the website if you were part of the situation back in the days. A couple of months ago, we actually went and farmed this. It was simply a referral link to join and launch the app and do everything that you have to do. And obviously see here, we have a few rewards from the phase 1 and the phase 2, which could potentially lead to a nice airdrop in the future. But we will see a lot of you from the younger days, from when the channel was coming out. We did this a lot, so very, very nice if the airdrop is gonna happen. And we also have the update on the Glacier situation. Next up, the Zora. There is a new NFT for you to go and mint, tweeted out by our Zora officially, so potentially could be something related to an airdrop. Simply go through the link down below that I will leave you and go and farm this Zora airdrop. I've already minted it and it is very, very cheap to go and do so. And also if you wish to go and mint another one, I just made this airdrop very, very simple, this thumbnail as an NFT. There's 20 people that have minted it, so thank you very much. There's no reward, there's no money making for me in this one, so do not worry about it. It is simply an interaction more with the protocol to go and earn the Zora network when it comes out. But with that said, guys, make sure to do all of the action. Make sure to go and sign up for the linear airdrop. Very, very important. Make sure to provide liquidity and make sure to check everything that you need within this protocol. With that said, thank you for watching and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.